In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test emails within HubSpot sequences, a powerful way to refine your outreach and improve engagement. Let's dive right into the process, making your email campaigns more effective. To start first, you need to access the Sequences tool in HubSpot. Once you're logged into your HubSpot account, navigate to the Sales section and then click on Sequences. Here, you have the option to either open an existing sequence by hovering over it and clicking Edit, or to start fresh by clicking on Create Sequence. Once you have your sequence in front of you, it's time to add some A/B magic to your emails. Choose any email step in your sequence, whether it's manual or automated, and click on the option to add an A/B test. This is where things start to get interesting. A panel will appear on the right, allowing you to choose or even create an alternate version, what we'll call version B. The beauty of HubSpot is that it offers flexibility. You can create up to 6 different versions per email. However, keep in mind that only 4 of those can be active at the same time. Make sure to use the version toggle to activate your chosen variant. Now that you've set up the A/B test, it's crucial to save all your hard work. Click on Save to update the existing sequence, or select Save as New Sequence if you want to keep your original intact. Remember, though, that only contacts enrolled after you set up the A/B test will receive the new versions. If you have contacts currently enrolled that you wish to include in the test, you'll need to unenroll them and then enroll them again. After your A/B test is up and running, you'll want to monitor its performance to garner insights. If you have access to Sales Hub or Service Hub Professional or Enterprise, tracking is made simple directly within the sequence editor. Visit the Performance tab to see the step performance table, where you'll find key metrics such as sends, opens, clicks, replies, and even meetings booked, all invaluable data points for your analysis. Finally, when you've gathered enough data and are ready to commit to the best performing version, it's time to conclude your A/B test. Simply disable the underperforming version using the toggle switch and save your sequence. It's important to note that any contacts unenrolled from the sequence before you complete this step will still receive both versions, but new enrollees will only get the active version. By following these steps, you can optimize your email strategies, ensuring your audience engages with the most effective content possible. Keep refining, testing, and improving your outreach to stay ahead in the game. Happy testing, and may your emails always land in the inbox.